Today, you will learn how to transfer Word to JPEG for free. First, open your browser, go to Google, and type Word to JPEG. Then open the website wordtojpeg.com. This free tool lets you convert your Word document into JPEG images in just a few seconds. Now, click the Upload area or simply drag and drop your Word document. You can upload one file or up to 20 DOC or DOCX files at the same time. As soon as your files are uploaded, the website will automatically start converting them, and you'll see the progress in real time. When the conversion is finished, you can download each JPEG image one by one, or click Download All to get everything in a zip file. After the zip file is downloaded, open it, then copy or drag the JPEG images from the zip folder to your desktop or any folder you want. Now open that folder and you'll see your Word document saved as JPEG images, ready to use or share. That's it! Your Word file has been converted to JPEG, completely free. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe.